Okay, I'm in this peaceful place. This is part of Taipa. Looks like they put this stuff out sometimes as well. And looks like you can also go up into the hill a little bit. But there's quite a bit to see in this space. And on the other side there's some cannons. And I'm definitely gonna go over there in a minute. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Over there in a minute. This is interesting. These look like they could be used in a lot of different ways. It's really like feather there. So, okay. So yeah, it overlooks this one. It overlooks this kind of funny building. But this has a really old style to it. Some old banyan trees, a little courtyard down there. And then this one is the backside of it actually. We're gonna go around to the front. Look how beautiful this yellow and green is with the benches right here. It's really nice. And this is this side as well. Okay. Scout Association of America, okay. Of Macau, sorry. Yeah, and you can actually go up into this little space. I think you can go up there, or maybe it's blocked off. You got some cannons over here. You have a Macau flag overlooking Zhuhai over here. These are all Zhuhai buildings. This is all Taipa. This is a Macau Roosevelt. There's a subway station over there. And take a look at these cannons here too. There's quite a large cannon over here. I guess we'll go over there next. Yeah, that one's pretty old style. This wood, I think it's been here for a long time, and this metal's probably been on it for a long time as well. There's the inside of a cannon if you're wondering what it looks like. And this is probably rusted, but I guess this used to be workable at one point. Okay, there's a Ponte de Taipa police station across the way as well, right there, like yellow one, green one. All right, so just kind of a little interesting spot in Macau. This is a spot that I don't really get to very often, almost never. There's no real reason to come to this particular spot. So we're gonna walk on out, and also I just want to show this tunnel while we're here as well. Yep, so there's a hillside, little garden right there. So I'm just gonna walk and show you the tunnel. Then we'll conclude this video in a minute. Let me just see. So this is the tunnel right here. Yeah, I'm actually gonna walk through it and see what's over on the other side. Looks like it's I forget the name of it. I almost never come over here. Might as well put it on myself so you can see what I look like as well. So yeah, we're basically going to go through this tunnel, and then I think on the other side it's I can't remember the name of it, but But it's a little bit of an isolated spot that not many people go to. Now we're on this side. So yep, you can kind of go across all this stuff right here too. You can see these buildings up on that side. And up here there's like a hospital. I can't remember the name of this, but it's like a little Indonesian shop and a lot of residential, basically, more than anything. So, okay. And if you go up here, it's quite isolated. It's hard to get up there as well. But okay. So that's a tunnel right there, and that's this space right here. So we're gonna head back towards the tunnel, and I'm gonna go to some other stuff in Macau. So we're gonna conclude this video right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.